In this video, we will see about a Leetcode problem, which is finding whether the given string is valid palindrome or not. First, we will see about the problem statement. Given the string, did we need to determine whether it is a palindrome or not? Palindrome is the one which reads the same from left to right and right to left. So here in this problem, the key thing to notice, we need to consider only the alphanumeric characters and we need to ignore the cases. And there is a note in the statement which states that empty string is also a valid palindrome. Now we will see how to achieve this with the animation. We will take a fairly complex example for this problem. A man, a plan, a canal, Panama. We need to find whether this string is palindrome or not. We need to consider only the alphanumeric characters. We should not consider any special characters. So here, space, comma and colon are special characters, and here we need to ignore the cases. First we will create two pointers, one pointing the left and one pointing the right. Now we will check whether the left and right pointers are same. Here the left and right pointers are same because we need to convert the capital A to small a, and here A and A are same. Next we got space. Since we got space, we will move the left pointer one step towards the right. So here we got M. Here the left and right pointers are M. So we are moving both the left and right pointers. Now we are in A. Now both left and right pointers are same. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right and the right pointer one step towards the left. Now we are in N. Both the left and right pointers are same. Now we are moving the left and right pointers one step. In the left pointer we got comma. So we are moving it one step towards the right. So we got space. We are moving it one step towards the right. Now we got A. Now we have A in both left and right pointers. So we are moving the left and right pointers one step. Now in the right pointers we got P, and in the left pointers we have space. We are moving the left pointer one step towards the right. In the left and right pointers we have P. So we are moving the left pointers one step towards the right and right pointers one step towards left. Now the right pointers points to a space. So we are moving one step towards left. We got colon. Now we are moving the right pointer one step towards the left. Now we got L. Left and right pointers pointing to L. Both are matching. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right and right pointer one step towards the left. Now both points to A. Both are same. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right and right pointer one step towards the left. Now both are pointing to N. Both are same. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right and right pointer one step towards the left. So here in the left pointer we have comma, which is a special character. So we are moving it one step towards the right. Now we got space, which is a special character. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right. Now we have A in both left and right pointer. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right and right pointer one step towards the left. We got space in the left pointer. So we are moving one step towards the right. So here left and right pointer points to the same character C. So we are moving the left pointer one step towards the right and right pointer one step towards the left. Now the start pointer is lesser than the end pointer. So we are terminating this palindrome check and we are returning true. Now we will see how to perform this in a code. Here I am declaring two variables. One is start and one is end. Here the start points to the first character in the string and the end points to the last character in the string. So here this while loop will keep on execute till the start is lesser than or equal to the end. Now we have a first inner while loop which checks if the start is lesser than the string length. Then we are checking the character is alphanumeric. If it is not alphanumeric, then we are incrementing the start pointer. In the next while loop, we are checking whether the end is greater than or equivalent to 0. If it is greater than or equivalent to 0, then we are checking the character is alphanumeric. If it is not alphanumeric, then we are decrementing the end variable. We are checking if the start is less than the string length and end is greater than or equivalent to 0. If it is so, then we are converting the start character to lowercase and the end character to lowercase. If both are not matching, then we are returning false. If both are matching, then we are incrementing the start variable and we are decrementing the end variable and we are continuing with the while loop. Here, once the start is lesser than the end loop, this while loop will terminate and we will return true. Here we have also written a simple helper function which checks whether the given character is alphanumeric Here we are checking whether the given character is lowercase or uppercase or is a digit. So if it is so, we are returning true. If it is not alphanumeric, we are returning false. Here the time complexity of this problem is order of n and the space complexity of the problem is constant. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more technical content. Check out the channel for more competitive programming entry questions.